Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Life Smart English. My name is Alice.
And I am Harry.
Today we will talk about inviting a colleague for coffee.
Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on the notifications for future videos.
Have you ever wanted to invite a colleague for coffee, but weren't sure how to say it politely in English? In today's video, you'll listen to a natural business conversation about a current project and a professional coffee invitation. This lesson is perfect for background listening. You can listen while working, walking, or relaxing. At the end, we'll practice key business sentences together. Let's begin. Hello, Harry. May I have a moment of your time?
Of course, Alice. What would you like to discuss?
I wanted to follow up on today's meeting. Overall, I think the project is moving in the right direction.
I agree. We've made good progress so far.
Yes, especially the timeline. It looks much more realistic now.
That was one of our main goals. I'm glad the team is aligned on that.
I also appreciated your input on the budget. Your suggestions were very clear.
Thank you. I tried to keep everything practical.
That really helped. I think it will make the next phase easier.
I hope so. The next phase will be quite important.
There are still a few points we may need to refine, particularly the communication plan.
That's a good point. Clear communication will be essential.
I was thinking it might be helpful to discuss these points in a more relaxed setting.
That could be a good idea.
In that case, would you be interested in meeting for a coffee sometime?
Yes, I would. That sounds like a good way to continue the discussion.
Would tomorrow afternoon be convenient for you?
Let me check. Yes, tomorrow afternoon should work.
How about around 3 p.m.? There's a cafe near the office.
That works well for me. I know that cafe.
Great. So, just to confirm our plan, coffee tomorrow at 3 p.m. near the office.
Yes, that's correct.
Excellent. I look forward to our conversation.
As do I. Thank you for the invitation.
You're very welcome. See you tomorrow.
See you then.
Now, let's practice key business sentences from the conversation. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. May I have a moment of your time? I wanted to follow up on today's meeting. I think the project is moving in the right direction. There are a few points we may need to refine. Would you be interested in meeting for a coffee? Would tomorrow afternoon be convenient for you? So, just to confirm our plan. Great work! These sentences are polite, professional, and easy to use in real business situations. Try shadowing them again later today while doing something else. See you in the next lesson.